Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rename or change a fillable text field or box name. This is a fillable text field and I'll change this text field name. Now select this form option and this select field option click here. Now click on this text field and select. Now press right button and select properties dialog box. This text field properties dialog box now open. This text field name text 1 and see this. Now you can change it. New field and see this. New name now added. Also this one select and showing here. You can change it. See this. This one. And similarly you can change this one and rename it. If you want you can rename it all of them. Press Ctrl A, select and simply select here rename all of them and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and follow.